Not too shabby, huh? Little tiger stripe on the end of it there. Now, I don't know what these were really called, but I call them freckles. Little dots. Just little bitty dots here and there. I think they're pretty though. First coat of finish has been drying about 48 hours. And that's why it's sanding so nicely. If it's not quite dry yet, you'll hear that paper, it'll sound different. This way, it kind of has a scratchy bark. It's like it. Old painters will say that's barking when it sounds like that. But when it's not quite dry, it won't have that crisp sound to it, and you won't get that real good dust, that baby powder looking dust all over it. This has been drying for a couple days, and so time to put the second coat on. Got to be real gentle around that crisp edge right there. That little sharp edge where that butt plate, that grip cap goes on there. It's a knife edge, and you don't want to round that off because that plastic needs to go right to it. It needs to be a smooth transition from wood to plastic all the way around. Same thing back here with the butt pad. You just don't round that corner. I seal the back of my wood just because I don't like the chance of water getting in there, but you really got to hold your paper straight and not let it round over when you sand that. Certain look in guns of this type, there's an age, there's a certain look that I like to achieve, and the only way to get it is by rubbing it by hand. I've said this before in other videos, but I never know who's going to be watching this one as opposed to the rest of them. But doing it this way achieves a certain look that I really, really like. And I don't know of another way to get it except just rubbing it out. If you rub it for just a few minutes, just about 3 or 4 minutes, it starts to get a little tacky, and then you can sweep it with the back of your hand, this part right there, and it leaves a oil rubbed finish, a look that just goes so well with these old guns.